Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant ashwagandha seeds. First, select healthy seeds from a reputable source to ensure strong plants. Soaking your seeds for 24 hours before planting significantly improves germination rates. Next, prepare your planting medium. Ashwagandha thrives in well-draining soil, so a sandy loam mix is ideal for successful growth. This initial preparation is crucial for a robust start. Once your seeds are ready, it's time to plant them. If starting indoors, sow seeds about 1/4 inch deep in seed trays. For direct sowing, space them 2 to 3 inches apart in your garden bed. Lightly cover the seeds with soil, then gently pat it down to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. This careful planting helps the delicate seedlings emerge successfully. Proper watering and light are essential for ashwagandha. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot. Ashwagandha plants need plenty of sunshine, so ensure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. A warm environment, ideally above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, will also encourage healthy growth and development. When your seedlings develop 2 to 3 true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Space the young plants 12 to 18 inches apart in their final growing location to allow for proper development. Ashwagandha doesn't require heavy feeding, so fertilize sparingly with a balanced organic option. With these steps, you'll cultivate healthy, thriving ashwagandha plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.